Hello and welcome to my desktop setup. As you can see, I use a very large screen, and it's an LG OLED C2 with 42-inch. And I really love the space I have on this screen when I do different things, because I always do different things simultaneously. Like for work, I use a lot of Excel and contracts. So the second screen is my old 27-inch IPS G-Sync from Acer. It's a very old Acer, but it's still good, and I love it to have here like a contract and a big Excel, or when I do 3D prints with Cura Open or Luban and all other things, browser with Octoprint, etc. So I don't have to switch windows a lot, but I have it all in one view. The only thing that bothers me on the C2 are the stands. They are very small and you can't adjust it in height. Of course, it's a TV. It's not a dedicated monitor. And I was thinking about getting a monitor arm, but the Ergotron arms that suit very good for this screen are very expensive, and there are cheaper ones, so I'm not sure if they will hold this screen. And there are also stands like TV stands, but they have a very huge plate, so I'm not sure about which one to get. So I thought, okay, then just make some spacers via Thingiverse and print them just to adjust the height. And I want to find out which height is good for me, and if I like it, if it's higher. And when I'm satisfied with the stands I will produce, I will use them, and when not, I will just buy a monitor arm or something like this in the future. But now I want to test the spaces, and I will share them for downloading if any one of you is using this screen too. Now, what's the idea? The stand of the C2 stand, the stand of the C2 looks like this. My idea: the stand of the C2 looks something like this, and here's the TV, and there's the second one. Now I want to make a part that looks like this, just a bit rectangular, with a hole in here where this stand fits. Then we'll do another part where there is a bigger hole in it, and this will fit in here. And on the bottom this will have some little holes, and then we make an additional part. It's just this same shape, and here we have little pieces standing up like a Lego part. It's roughly like Lego. You can put this on this and it will fit together. And so you have to print this one time, and this as often 8 times you need it, from 0 to as high as you want. So now we are here in Tinkercad. I just do a quick and dirty design. These are millimeters, so I go for 20 centimeters. Oh, no, let's do 19. Then we have 1 centimeter of surrounding the original foot for stability, and here as the original stand is 7 millimeters in thickness, we do like 8, so the stand fits in it. So this will be 18 millimeters. We have left and right side 5 millimeters of clearance. Then we should do the same for here. Okay. Good. I think the 2 centimeters in high are okay. In height. Now we cut out the part of the foot. It's 17 centimeters long, so we take 17 and 2 millimeters again, that it fits, and we don't have to put it in with force. And the thickness 8 millimeters, so here we have 1 centimeter of clearance. I just raised this to 15, so the foot sinks in 5 millimeters out of 3 centimeters. Should be enough for stability. And yeah, now we have to position it, so I take the ruler tool, and here we said we have 5 millimeters here, and here we have 5 millimeters too. And now we are symmetric. Piece is symmetric. Now I just mark everything and combine it. And now I export this part, print it. I'll just give it a name. Click export. STL file. And that's it. So now we have all parts printed, and I show you how it's meant to work. Here in this slot the stand of the C2 fits in. This fits in this part, and then if you need additional height, just put one of these underneath, and if you need still more height, print another one and plug it together, and so on. I think you get the idea. And if you need something in between, just scale the Z height in Curio, whatever program you are using, to get the height you want. Now let's raise the screen. I must say I really like this this screen, this TV, for both gaming and productivity. As you see, it's plenty of space for productivity, not only like designing parts, Thingiverse, but also for big Excel files, which I use at work for cutting videos, doing like fusion stuff, and have a tutorial next to it open, something like that. It's really good because it gives you plenty of space with 42 inches and also with 4K resolution, a big amount of space. With my desk, it's an IKEA artisan. It's I think 80 centimeters deep. I could push back the screen even a bit more, but it's like one arm length away, and it's for me great. Also in fast-paced games like Call of Duty, I still see everything. So that's nice too. And talking about games, I also have a Nintendo Switch adapter here, which works great, and Tears of the Kingdom on this screen is really great in this distance. So yeah, gives me the best of both worlds. Perhaps I will make a follow-up with something here in between, like something of boxes or something closed that it has a cleaner look and you don't see everything. But for now, I think it's great. I'll put all links to the files and to things I've used in the description section. So feel free to download and to share and to edit them. Yeah, that's for now, and thank you for watching and happy making.